Let me show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So I'll actually show you two different ways how you can do that. One, if you have access to the settings basically and to the watch basically itself. So we can go to the settings and basically scroll all the way down till you see your general here, and then click on reset, scroll wipe like here basically, and click the reset button and it will start the reset. However, what if you don't really have access to this watch or something has happened to it, or maybe you're locked out of it? You can also do this reset from the bootloader basically. So the way we do it, we have to press and hold these buttons. So press and hold them and ignore this, it will restart basically. Keep holding. Okay, release, and once you see this, okay, click this a few times basically. So you will see this menu pop up. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to use your upper button to scroll down basically and simply click it till you see this recovery menu. Do not select that factory, that is something else basically. So you have to select this recovery basically. Okay, and then basically hold this button for some time to select it and it will reboot it. Okay, it will again boot in a different menu now. Okay, once it has booted in this menu, we actually have to use this lower button to cycle down till you see this wipe data factory reset. Okay, and then you simply have to press this button. By the way, see this warning here. If you actually have a Google account on that like this watch already, and you will basically need to enter that password on the Google account once you reset this watch. So make sure you actually have like access to that Google account this watch has basically before you do that. So click that, and then again we can scroll down basically and click this factory date reset, and once you click it, it will start the process. I won't do that at the moment. And if you want to back out of this, we can again press this lower button and click cancel and click the reboot system now if you don't want to reset it anymore. So yeah, that's how you do it on this Galaxy Watch 7. So yeah, see you.